Murthy from EC third year. I am going to talk about IP addressing and subnetting. First of all, what is IP addressing? IP addressing is a 32-bit logical naming convention. It is represented by a decimal notation. First part denotes the client network and second denotes the client. So the IP address must be unique. It is divided into 5 classes: A, B, C, D, E. A starts with 0, B with 10, C with 110, D with 1110, E with 1111. So its ranges are given in the slide as you see. So the IP address should be compared with the subnet mask. First of all, what is subnet? Subnet means dividing the host address into a subnet ID. That is a subnet mask. There is a default subnet mask for each IP. Class A, example 255.0.0.0, like that B and C are subnet mask. The subnet mask can tell the part of the IP address denotes the network and which parts denotes the client. So the division is shown here. The division is not on the equal size, it is unequal, 7, 14, 21, and then the 2 power of 7, 2 power 42, 2 power 21, that is the maximum number. So the bits in the suffix and the maximum number of hosts per network is shown in the slide. Next, the authority. The authority means an organization that provides IP to internet service provider. So the ISP coordinate with the central organization to ensure that each network prefix will be unique throughout the entire network. So the IP address divided into 2 classes: classful and classless. Classful means in assigning a network prefix must be chosen from A, B or C. That is meant by classful. The neutrally network is assigned to C. For networks connected to global internet, service provider makes the choice. Private network, the local administrator. Classful means the 4 IP addresses here is taken. So the router chooses which of the classful addresses can be chosen or not. So the classless addressing. The classless means the original classful scheme was limiting. So the number of unused base is there. So the unused base is used by subnet addressing and classless addressing. So the address mask. Address mask means the classless addressing requires the additional bit of information with each address. This additional information specifies between the network prefix and the host prefix. So the classless addressing, the routers must contain 2 pieces of information. One, the 32-bit address. Other one is the 32-bit value that specifies the boundary between prefix and suffix. So that subnet mask is stored as 32-bit binary number here. So that increases the efficiency by extracting the IP address by the host of the router. So the prefix portion of the IP address needs to be compared to the value in the routing table. This can be done in 2 machines. How routing table is comparison here is shown below. Suppose you take this the final packet. A and M represent 32-bit network. So the router tests the condition whether it is DME and M is present A or not. So it satisfies the condition. So the comparison is done. So the CADR notation. CADR notations mean the first 16-bit of the address make up the network prefix. If the notation that is used by the 2 computers with only 12 computer Gs, though the ISP can use CADR partition of class B into 3 parts, 2 for each customers and the remainder 1 for future use. So they can be divided into 3. One customer can be assigned with 16-bit of out prefix and other can be assigned in the other type. Here shown in the host address of the CAR, the network prefix address mask, lowest host address, highest host address is shown below. From this diagram you can understand the bits are transferred in the different forms. Those special IP address. Special IP address means the prefix is all zeros. The type of address means this computer address. Bootstrap is done there. Network means all 0 means the network identifies the network. If the network contains all 1 means it broadcasts on the specified net. It contains all ones and the suffix also contains all ones means limited broadcast. If prefix contains only 7, suffix any means it is looped back or tested. The route addressing principle. Routers are assigned with the IP address as well as the word machine. A router may be assigned to 2 or more IP address. Here you can see the example, the Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Here they use 2 or more IP address to connect between them. So here with this I end my session. So thank you for listening. Thank you.